What's up, everyone? I know it's been a little while since I've done a video. My last one was Streetcar Takeover up in Bradenton, Florida. So, what you haven't seen is I finally got this oh shit handle installed for the passenger side. I've had the other one installed for, I don't know, probably 3-4 months now. When I bought it, I thought it was a pair and it wasn't. And then my girl got me this one for Christmas, so I finally went ahead and installed it. Other than that, not much has been going on. I took the truck out yesterday with the family. We went out, just did some trail riding. I brought the GoPro with me, got some good video, but the quality of it sucks because there was like some stuff, I don't know what it was, just looked like some sweat and stuff like that all over the GoPro, the front of it. So the quality of it, of the actual video, came out pretty bad. It's all blurry, you can't really see. So I'm not going to use it, but I'm going to try to go out again, maybe this weekend or something, and do a little driving around and videoing and see some animals. I had some deer on camera and some bulls, some cows, stuff like that. But like I said, it came out pretty crappy. So truck's a little white, as you see from the tires. Are a little white from out driving around in all the sand. And then I haven't done much with the Camaro. It's just been sitting in here. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. I've been debating about if I want to put plates on it or not. If I put plates on it, then I'm gonna just keep it and start driving around and taking it to the track and stuff like that. But it needs more work than what I want to put into it, and it's a 23-year-old car, so I kind of want to sell it and get something newer, which I've been talking about selling it if you pay attention to my channel, if you watch my videos. So we'll see what I end up doing. Kind of want to do a video of the Camaro for sale and see what happens there, and I'm gonna throw it up on my Facebook page too, probably, more than likely, even though I do want to drive it. Let me know about down below what you want me to get. I've been thinking about just getting a 2010 or newer Camaro SS. If not, it'll probably be an SRT8 Challenger, or maybe the 5.0 Coyote Mustang. I just personally like the 2015s or newer, and I can probably only afford a 2011 to 2014. So that's kind of a bummer. I like the body style more of the 2015 through 2017. It'd be really cool if I get a 2018, but I'm not trying to spend that much money. So let me go ahead and start up the Camaro. Every time I go to move this car or start it up or anything, she has to be with me. If not, she flips out. She just loves it. But then again, it was a 2-month period, 2 or 3 months, that it was my daily driver, and she was really small at the time, so she got accustomed to it and really likes it. So that's pretty cool. Moved her out of the carport. Like I said, really haven't been doing much to her. She just sits there, gets dusty and dirty, which wouldn't be bad if I finished up and put that wall on the back, which I want to, and I want to put some rock or gravel down. I just haven't got around to it yet. I started a new job this month, so I've been pretty busy. I don't want to keep dumping money into this car if at the end of the day I'm gonna sell it. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should get, or if you think I should keep it. I've had a couple comments saying that they subscribe to my channel because nobody has this car or does anything with it, and I do like it, but it is a pain to work on it. And unfortunately, it's a 95, which 95 is OBD1, and that's old news. So that's it for today. Just wanted to give you a little update about what I've been doing and everything. If you like this video, look at her. She thinks she's driving the Camaro. She makes her own sound effects and everything. She hangs around me too much. That's what the problem is. But yeah, so you let me know in the comments below what you want me to do. If you want me to get something newer, which I personally do, especially because I want to be able to take it around town and stuff, and something a little newer is usually more reliable until I start putting a lot of power down. And even then, I mean, this car is not the best to try to shoot for high numbers, you know. And it's the LT1, so it's not the LS. If it was the LS and it was a 99 or newer and it had OBD2, I wouldn't get rid of it. I would keep it for sure. But being the LT1 reverse flow cooling and the Opti Spark and being a 95, it's just, it's not even worth it. So you should be seeing a video of this baby being for sale, unless I decide to keep it. Holy shit, did you see that bird just fly by me? I think it was close. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Until next time, peace. America.